Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, one of the secrets I have in actually keeping my tilapia stock upbeat is that I tend to try to have what you call green water. To some persons green water look gross, and green water is a sign that a lot of things is happening within the system. However, this thought was actually placed into the sun intentionally because I realized that my tilapia cichlid is actually breeding. All right, so looks like nothing is in it, right? Okay, let's check. All right, what happened is that these tilapia, they sit below the green water, and anything that pitches on the top of the water, they would actually gravitate to consume. All right, in an effort to ensure that I have continuous stock, what I have done is actually allow the water to become green. Whenever I'm changing the water, I will carefully look for flies. Now, should these tilapia actually breed? Well, these tilapia, by the way, are mouth builders, right? So what happened is that once they release their flies, other pond mates, or should I say tank mates, actually just pulls them down and consume them. Now, the other day I did a video where I show you that I actually had some I caught and cooked one of my tilapia, yeah, my tilapia fish, right? And in doing that, I found about 2 dozen fries. Now you're looking at the fries presently. Now these fries will actually stay within my breeding tub, and as these tilapia get large, that's the one in the green water now, right? I will actually consume them, and they will be replaced by the flies in which I have in the breeding tub. So this is where the breeding tub actually comes in handy, as breeding tubs are really what you call growth tubs, and these tubs are what I use to keep my flies, ensuring that they grow to a certain size, and as soon as they reach probably about an inch or two, I will actually place them into the tote, and they will continue to grow until they reach food size, or should I say plate size, right? When breeding fish, you have to have several different species to keep them. You can't keep the fries and the parents in one space, because you might end up find yourself having depleted stock, because the babies are going to be eaten regardless of them being cichlids, and cichlids take care of the babies. Well, they have tank mates, and the tank mates will actually consume them. I hope that this video was of interest to you, and I just felt it necessary to share with you how I go about actually maintaining my tilapia fish stock. Thank you very much. Join me next time for another share in Fish Keeping Jamaica. This is my ornamental fish farm slash tilapia farm in Jamaica. It's going on okay. Bye for now. Peace out.